Yo, what's good, y'all? I'm DJ Rick G's at Turntable Institute, and big shout out to OneOdio official, for sending me a pair of Studio Max 2 wireless headphones, wireless DJ headphones. This is me unboxing them. The Studio Max 2 wireless headphones have a 9 millisecond ultra low latency. These headphones have a 4-in-1 connectivity. That means they can work one of 4 ways: 1/4-inch cable, 1/8-inch cable, Bluetooth, and ultra low latency mode. It comes with the headphones, a 1/4-inch headphone cable, the 1/8-inch cable, the transmitter, the USB-C cable for charging the transmitter and headphones, the carrying case, and the instructions. You connect the transmitter to the headphone jack of your mixer or controller via this audio cable. Turn it on, turn on the headphones, turn it to low latency mode, and they're both charged and working out the box. The audio quality is great. I really like it. The headphones are comfortable. It says it gives 120 hours battery time and takes about 2.5 hours to charge the headphones and transmitter. So now we're going to test them out. We're going to see how it is to cut it up and scratch with wireless DJ headphones.
Oh yeah.
So here's what it looks like. Here's what 9 milliseconds looks like. A 9 millisecond latency difference looks like in Adobe Audition if I line 2 songs up. So you really can't, you can barely see it. Do some more testing. Straight fire.
Rick G.
So out the box, I'm really impressed with the quality of these wireless headphones. I'm going to be using these in my videos and DJing at my events with these, and I'm going to let you know how they hold up. I know a lot of people are not into wireless headphones for different reasons, but if you prefer the wire, they also sound great with the wire. One thing I really like about them is if you misplace the wire, you can use a 1/4-inch cable as your headphone wire. That's pretty cool. So right now on their website, they have them for $189.99. That's a good price because the last headphones I purchased was about $250. And I buy headphones probably every 2-3 years. That's how long headphones usually last me, about 2-3 years. I have a discount code for y'all. It's Institute15 to get 15% off. The link is in the description. Click the link if you need some new DJ headphones. Get 15% off. So, shout out OneOdio, the Studio Max 2, 9 millisecond, ultra low latency DJ headphones. Shout out DJ KSHMR, but I'm DJ Rick G's, Turntable Institute. Shout out to OneOdio, Studio Max 2 wireless headphones with the 9 millisecond ultra low latency.